5 tips on how to make a title page in APA format. Do you have to make a title page in APA format? Here are 5 tips to follow. Here are the main elements of the title page with important points to remember. Article title. Your article's title should talk about the main topic and shouldn't be more than 12 words. Author's school or institutional affiliation. In this column, you can add the location where the research takes place. Author's name. In this column, you can add a list of your first name, middle name, and last name. Running head. There should be a running head in the upper left-hand corner on all pages. Page number. Each page should also have page numbers on the right-hand corner. Thank you for watching. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com